All right, America. It is December 31st, 2024. The ball drops tonight. I was thinking about the challenge that I put out there a while ago about the leaders of every country that I've been in for the last 6 years, since some people wanted to prove their skills. Let's just call them that. I can barely feel my toes. Now, for all you fuckers that like to spray cooling agents on people, I'm wondering which one of my toes you want. Now, see, if I actually had a budget to get this country and many other countries back into order, well, it would actually happen, because I'm not a sit around and have to think about what to do. I already had the plan years ago, so keep stalling.